In this video, I'm going to teach you how to close your position on Binance Futures. Whether you're taking profits or cutting losses, it's important to know how to exit your trades properly. Stay with me and I'll guide you through the whole process quickly and clearly. Let's get started. First, click the Futures section at the bottom of the Binance app. This takes you to your futures trading dashboard. Then, scroll down and click Position to see all your open trades. Here, you'll find details like size, entry price, and PNL. Next, choose Close Position next to the position you want to exit. This tells Binance you're ready to close the trade. After that, adjust the price you want to close it at, either market price or a custom one. This lets you control how and when the position closes. Finally, click Confirm and your trade will be closed. You'll get a quick confirmation message once it's successful. And that's how you close the position on Binance Futures. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more clear crypto tutorials. See you next time!